what is the public discourse. Number one, I want to really appreciate what's ongoing in the country. But I've called upon all the leaders to restrain themselves from putting the country in the crossroad. I just indicated yesterday clearly that Honorable Gachagua is welcomed to Kisii. He's a leader like another leader. Yes, we know that he has caused some discourse in this country, which all of us, we have to really look into. But for today, I want to point out that while he's coming, he knows what he took us through in 2 years in office. We know the frustration of Honorable Gachagua he got in the government of Ruto, where he was the deputy. Until his departure from the office, he is one of the people who perpetrated, especially in Kisii, where himself he pointed out in the function we had at Musoji, that until we were to behave, myself, he told me that until we were to behave, that's the only time we could have gotten our security back. That was unbecoming, but we are saying let security again be provided to Gachagua, given that he was the former deputy president. But of importance, we want to ask them that let us collaborate and cooperate with all leaders of like mind in the country to salvage the country from its status at the moment. But I know there are those ones from Kisii, specifically individuals who think that they can hang on the court of Matiang'i. I'm telling them, it's not going to happen. You must work for the people. We have our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself, indeed, to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i. We want to urge our brothers all over the country, let us see the country of Matiang'i, and I'm calling upon Honorable Gachagua, if indeed the passion that you have for the change of the country, the only change that we can get it through Matiang'i when you are supporting him. If Ruto today decided to support another person, let us assume he has vacated office in his first term, we ask him to support Matiang'i. Baba, if it's possible, if you're not running, support our brother, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. That's the call I'm making. There is some people who are extortionists in the camp of opposition. Their business is collecting money from unsuspecting candidates. We want to warn them that we can't move far with this kind of people in the struggle. Otherwise, you'll be puncturing us before we make a move. And I want to call upon my senator, stop being petty. We know what runs around in your blood. You have tried to delay us, but we are not going to accept. We know what kind of material you are made of. But I want to, again as a governor, to remain sober, focused in terms of making all to be part of the government which will come in 2027. For now, I want to categorically put it, I'm collaborating with the national government as enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya. The national government and the county government, they have to cooperate. We are remaining 2 years to election. I'm not going to abuse Ruto around, whereas he's the president. Given that he's the president, we have only a president. We have not had a candidate in the name of Ruto, or a candidate in the name of Matiang'i, or a candidate in the name of Raila, or a candidate in the name of Kalonzo. Today we have the president. Candidates will come at the right time that we are going into elections. Therefore, as a governor, I will collaborate with all leaders. And I want to welcome all leaders in Kisii. Because there is a lot of rumors, Simba want to antagonize good leaders from across the country. We can't bury our heads in the sand when we know what we have gone through. Even when one has turned to be an angel today. There is more. In Swahili we say, hatuwezi mwaga mtama kwa kuku wengi. There is more. And we're going to shape the country's politics moving forward. Therefore, if you want to come to abuse Simba and Kisii, come. We'll handle you at that time. But for now, we want to make sure all Kenyans, these are Kikuyus, Luos, Kalenjins, Kisiis, Kambas, the 43 tribes. That's our business. We must bring our people together. But I call upon the government, please don't kill the young people. Please allow the constitution to prevail. For you, my brother Mrukomen, the shoot to kill orders, it cannot work in the country. We'll kill very few people and the country will turn into anarchy. I want to leave it there and request that as Kisii, we're welcoming every person from all walks of life. Come, seduce the people of Kisii, ask them for votes. But while you are doing that, know that I'm the deputy party leader of ODM. Many things will happen. That indeed I'm coming there, my brother, we're coming. Therefore, for Gachagua, either welcomed or not welcome, he is welcome to come to Kisii. Come sell his agenda of one term. Because that's it. If he sells for Ruto one term, he can equally say Simba one term. We see how it goes with the people. Therefore, what we are saying is that it's courteous. If he comes, let him call me, Simba, I'm coming. I tell him, my brother, come. I have no problem. We'll go to Central to seek for votes. We may not even ask anybody else to welcome us there. Therefore, what I'm saying, anybody from any other corner of the country is welcome to Kisii. Here in Kisii, there is big number of Kikuyus, Kalenjins, Luos, live about Kisiis, Maasais, all tribes are here in Kisii. Therefore, we're welcoming them. The clips that I saw yesterday, where they have, and you can clearly see how they have cut it. Cut and fix, I don't know what you call it in your own language as media. That's what they are doing. But I'm offended because of one individual here in Kisii who thinks he can go around. He has been soliciting money from those, actually he has been soliciting money from these unsuspecting leaders in the country. Given money to go to Mombasa, anafika mtoto wa ndei, anapiga, anaingia kwa pombe, anarudi. That's why you have not been seeing him around. We want to warn people. There are characters here who are extortionists, number one. But when they talk on TV, the breakfast TV, you'll think he's an angel. They are not. These are rogue leaders. And we are going to call them out at the right time. We'll tell the Kenyans what they have taken us through. Therefore, for Gachagua, you are welcome. I can tell you, Gachagua, you come to Kisii, I will welcome you as our brother. We served with you in Parliament. Kalonzo comes, he has been my leader. I will welcome him. Ruto comes, I will welcome him as my president. Raila comes here as my party leader, I will welcome him. Therefore, I will welcome him. I even Wachakoya, another person who thinks that he can ask votes from Kisii. I will welcome them. That you are sure. Therefore, these are the ones who are peddling some lies on media, social media. We don't want to go that direction. This country, we are one. We are facing the same problems. We want to sort. If there is anybody else who can also advise President Ruto, unlike some characters who are around him, for the 2 years remaining, we see how the country is moving forward. Matiang'i's, aspiration into becoming the president. What he said, as a community, we can't say that we are the people to, even Luo as a community cannot produce a presidency. We must bring all the communities together. And at that time, Matiang'i had not come. Therefore, it was not very clear. Therefore, for now, and that's why I don't want to say so many things on camera, there could be a surprise as we are moving forward. Wacha kwanza, let us first of all serve. We are not in government as ODM. Individuals, yes, from ODM, they are in government, but as a party, we are only cooperating with the government. We see the country to stabilize. Therefore, but other things I don't want to say. What happens if Raila supports Matiang'i tomorrow? Or Ruto decides tomorrow that things are too hot, he is supporting who? Matiang'i. Or Gachagua decides yes, alongside. In siasa it's like wind. Today you'll find it's blowing this direction, tomorrow the other.